Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. This is Kamsi Space. In Kamsi Space we make videos on food recipes, vlogs and lifestyle. Yes guys, if this is your first time viewing this channel, you are highly welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I want to show you how to process fufu from cassava. Yes guys, if you don't know how to do it and you want to learn, please grab your chair closer and let's learn Fufu 101.
Takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of a club playing soul on the...
Here guys, this is the cassava tuber. Yeah, you can harvest your raw cassava from your farm or you buy from your local market. This particular one, I bought it from the market. Like I said earlier, I'm making this video from Lagos, Nigeria. So I bought this from the market. This is actually towards 2,000 naira. Yeah, 2,000 naira. So you can use it to make more than that. So the first thing we are going to do today, like I said, this is Fufu processing 101. So let's start. The first step is you're going to peel the cassava. Either you cut it into two, or you peel. I want to cut it into two so it will be easy for me. Your bowl, large bowl, closer, so that as you're peeling, you're putting in there before washing. Guys, I'm done peeling. Step 3, we are going to wash thoroughly. Wash it very well. The second time you have to wash it thoroughly for it to be very quick, so that the final process will come out white. So I'm transferring it to the bowl. After this washing, I will pour the water to cover the cassava and add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Fill it with water. Let water cover this cassava. As you can see, here I'm adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder. You know, because I didn't get this from my farm. I just bought it. I don't know how long it has stayed. So this baking soda will help the fermenting process. So I'm done. I have to cover with this. You can cover with anything and leave it for 3 to 4 days before it starts to steam. Guys, we are still on the course Apple 101. Yeah, today is the 4th day. I actually wanted to do it yesterday, the 3rd day, because I was a bit busy. So before we go on, after it has fermented, you have to check if it is well fermented by pressing your fingers. So you can see it's soft. Yeah, but bear in mind that it's not all of them that will be soft. Most of them are soft. So the next step I'm going to do now is to sieve it. This is another bowl with this sieve. You can use any sieve of your choice. So I'm going to pick them one after the other. So you're sieving it to get a paste. Use your hand, with your left hand the other side and sieve it. Keep turning it. So what is remaining in this sieve is sharp. Sharp. Throw it away. Like I said, it's not all of them that will be soft. Some will be soft, some will not be. Yeah, I'm done. So we have to allow it to settle down before we start to put it into a bag for the water to drain finally. So give it. Now it has settled for some minutes. I have to pour out some water before putting them in the bag. Yeah, I've reduced the water. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to pour this in a bag. Pour that water inside the bucket. The bag I'm using. You can use that bag they're using putting palm. Okay, so I'm using this bag. I have to transfer the paste. See the paste into the bag. I'm going to tie it. Give me that nylon. Give me that nylon over there. Let me tie the mouth. Tie it very, very tight. But spoon is not put away. Yeah, I think the water will drain very well. Yeah guys, you have seen the step-by-step process of getting your apple from cassava. Yeah, this is cassava 101. We are going into cassava 201. Apple 201. It doesn't end there. We are going to cook it. So stay tuned to watch out the next one. But before I go, I know you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, like and share. Actually, your comment keeps me going. Okay, God bless you for watching this video. See you in my next video, Apple 201. Okay, bye.